What's up everybody, TIMVIX here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday while I was riding, I met with a small incident. My bike's right side mirror got shattered. It was hit very hard by a Tata Ace. So basically what happened was I was on a 2-lane road without a divider. I was on my lane and there was this Tata Ace which was coming from the opposite side. And I don't know for what reason he abruptly came to my lane and I moved immediately, but still that Tata Ace hit the mirror pretty hard. The entire mirror turned towards me. It happens. I thought that the mirror just turned towards me, but then when I pushed it back, I saw that the mirror was shattered, and so was my heart. I take real good care of my bike, and whenever something like this, even a small thing happens to my bike, I feel really bad. But on the positive note, nothing happened to me. We didn't fall, luckily. So my bike and me, both of us are safe, and that's the most important thing, because see, everything else is replaceable but not your life. So make sure you ride safe. It's true that roads are full of idiots, so be careful, wear the riding gears whenever you go out, and stay safe. Now the second thing that I wanted to say was, since my mirror got shattered, I thought it's a very good opportunity to show you guys what is there actually inside the mirror, because we don't get to see that quite often, right? So I thought I'll show you guys what is there inside the mirror. Alright, so this is the main structure of the mirror. So basically you have a metal that is shaped according to the aesthetic needs, and you have this plastic frame onto which the mirror is mounted. So towards the end of this metal you have threading which actually sits on your bike, and then on top of the metal frame you have a rubber housing. It's more like a bellow which covers the entire metal thing, and then towards the end you have this plastic frame. It's hard plastic actually, it's just which is shaped according to the bike's needs. Now if I remove the rubber covering on the frame side, you can actually see that the metal is mounted with the frame using 3 screws. Another interesting thing is that there's this rubber base inside the frame. So the mirror actually sits on this rubber base, and I'll try to remove this so that I can show it to you guys. So there you have it. This is the rubber on which your mirror actually sits. Please ignore this dirty cardboard box. I just picked it up from the ground in order to collect the glass pieces, so that none of the glass pieces actually fall down and hurt someone. So yeah, please ignore that box. Now coming to the glass, you can actually see that though the glass is completely shattered, it is still retaining the shape. Now that's very interesting, because there is a strong adhesive layer in the back onto which the reflective shiny part is stuck. So let me show you guys the back side of the mirror so that you can get a good idea. So as you can see, this white portion, it's actually a very strong adhesive onto which the reflective mirror is mounted. Basically during the impact, though the glass completely shattered, nothing fell down. All the pieces were intact and it was fixed to the mirror. That's very good, because if it shatters and falls down, it might actually hurt someone, or it might damage the oncoming vehicles. Alright, now let me bring this piece of glass close to the camera so that you guys can get a clear picture about what is happening here. So I hope this is in focus. Yep. So as you can see, the white thing, the adhesive part, and if you can, I don't know whether you guys can see it properly or not, but there's this thin reflective layer which is very clearly visible, onto which the glass is placed. So the reflective part is actually the mirror, and then you have a glass on top of it. So yeah, don't get to see this quite often. So there you have it guys. Now you know what is there inside the mirror, and you don't have to go and break your mirror. I hope you found this video to be useful. If you did, then please hit the like button and share this video with your curious friends who are always eager to learn more. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day, and I will catch up with you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.